Hi, my name is Dan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an invitation mailing envelope using Microsoft Word. I know a lot of people don't know that there's this very convenient feature in Word. After you're done putting all the work into making your invitations, you can set up your mailers directly and print them. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you pull up any blank Word document or even the invitation that you've made if you've made it in Word. On your options on the top, you'll see a toolbar for mailings, and on the far left, envelopes. This is going to pull up a dialog where we have our delivery address, our return address. So in our return address, you're going to obviously put in your address. It's going to save this return address for each address that you put in. So you can type in somebody's address for your delivery address. Or an even faster way you can do this, if you have your addresses categorized in Outlook, this little booklet drop down, if you select that, will bring you to your Outlook dialog and you can search for addresses and import them directly. Thanks for watching. My name's Dan, and today I've shown you how to create an invitation mailing envelope using Microsoft Word.